Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. In today's Let's Talk video, we're going to be talking about On Jackies. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the brand in South Africa. If you want to know more about it, press pause, get yourself something to eat, get yourself something to drink, and also click subscribe. I'll start off the video by saying that On Jackies has done a lot in the South African natural hair community and in the market as well. They came in with the bang, they really did the things, they embraced the natural community, embraced the influencers, and On Jackies is really on everybody's lips, or basically what a lot of naturals are talking about. Personally, I have attended On Jackies events. I entered competitions and I won. Was I ever personally invited by anyone from On Jackies? No. But did I enter competitions and attend the On Jackies events? Absolutely. And I'm cool with that. I can tell you from personal experience, their parties are amazing. Everyone there is absolutely amazing. It's a good time all around. So On Jackies came in and they really did the thing, and everyone in the South African market or natural community is talking about On Jackies and they want to try On Jackies. And most of my On Jackies videos were when I was in South Africa and people really wanted to know about the product, so I started making more On Jackies videos and trying them out and sharing my personal experience. Before that, or before this last year, because that's when I posted most of my On Jackies videos, I had posted I think 2 or 3 in the past. Now if I talk about my experience with On Jackies, before 2018, personally, I've tried so many brands, your Barigios, your DevaCool, Huidad, Shea Moisture, I've tried so many brands. On Jackies was never really at the top of my list. When I looked at what was happening in the US and I looked at the top US YouTubers and I looked at the YouTubers that I like to watch, they weren't really using On Jackies. But it was a brand I saw and I think I bought 3 products. This is, from 2012 up until about 2017. I'm talking about that period of time. I must have tried about 3 products. I tried the flaxseed gel, the elongating one, didn't work on my hair. I tried the Not On My Watch Kitties, the pink leave-in conditioner, love, love, love. And I think the third one was the Flaxseed Recipe Co-Wash. I'm just going to insert pictures for you guys so you know what I'm talking about. The co-wash and the leave-in for the kitties, my hair loved. Everything else, like On Jackies, just wasn't exciting for me. It wasn't something that somebody who makes videos and tries new stuff, it just wasn't something that I really wanted to try. With that being said, coming back to South Africa and seeing the hype for On Jackies, like I got on the bandwagon. This is something that I enjoy doing. I enjoy making videos. So as I said, people wanted to know, so most of the On Jackies videos I've done, I personally bought the products myself. Attending events, I did receive some products, but when you watch my videos, you'll see me say what I got for free and what I bought, but predominantly I buy my own products. So what do I think about On Jackies in the market? I do think that their price point is the biggest thing that they have going. The fact that they are affordable. When you walk into Clicks, or when you go into the hair care aisle and you see On Jackies, you see Shea Moisture, you see Carol's Daughter, and you're like, how much money do I really have? You immediately go over to On Jackies because the price point is really good and there's a hype about it, so you think that this is amazing. When it comes to the products and the quality of the products, for me, I've always found them to be very average. And the grapeseed collection that they came out with, as somebody who tries a lot of products, I was like, this is really nice. I could see the difference in the grapeseed collection than all the other collections. I could tell there was a little bit more quality that was in that particular line, and I do like it. The deep conditioner is my absolute favorite. It really works well on my type of hair. Overall, or to wrap this video up, if I have to think of On Jackies products that I would spend my money on or kind of go back to, and this is just me personally, I know everybody has their own favorites. One that I forgot to mention was the Quench leave-in conditioner. I do like. I'll spend money on that. The co-wash, the flaxseed co-wash, I'd spend money on the Not On My Watch leave-in conditioner as well. And then the deep conditioner from the grapeseed line. Those four are the ones that I really like. When it comes to other gels, I think the Curl Boss gel did impress me if I have to think about it. I did do a comparison video and I was surprised. It was really nice. The Ice Curls from the Grapeseed collection was also quite nice, that I liked as well. In the community, there is a bit of confusion when it comes to the Curly Girl method, as some Aunt Jackie's products are Curly Girl approved and some aren't. You'll also find in the same line of Aunt Jackie's, like if we take the Grapeseed collection, some products in the collection are CG friendly and in the same collection some aren't. So I'll wrap that up, guys. My little 2 cents about Aunt Jackie's in my Let's Talk series. Check out the other videos that I've done, and I'm just sharing my thoughts. I'm somebody who is a consumer. I'm somebody who buys products. And as I said earlier, I would say over 98% or 99% of products you see in my videos I personally bought. If I do get something free from a brand, I will say, but it's very, very rare that I get free stuff. So I am the consumer. I'm somebody who goes out and spends my money. I try new products. I make videos on them and I just share my thoughts and experience. So just looking at the market, I'm kind of doing a little Let's Talk series and just sharing my thoughts on how brands are doing in the community. Thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.